Hello everyone, I am Pushpendra Kumar Gure, Assistant Professor, Siddharthpura Sarkari University. Today's topic is classification of tablet used in oral cavity. Introduction. The tablet used in the oral cavity tablets. In this group are released the action ingredients in the oral cavity or to provide local action in the oral cavity region. The tablets under this category avoid first pass metabolism decompositions in gastric environments, naustic sensations, and gives rapid onset of actions. Tablet used in oral cavity. इनके टाइप्स देखते हैं. फर्स्ट वक्कल टैबलेट्स, सेकेंड सबलिंगुअल टैबलेट्स, थर्ड लोजेंजस टैबलेट्स एंड ट्रेचेस, फोर्थ डेंटल कोन्स. फर्स्ट देखते हैं वक्कल टैबलेट्स. दिस टैबलेट्स आर टू बी प्लेस्ड इन द वक्कल पाउच और बिटवीन द गम एंड लिप और चीक where they dissolve or disintegrate slowly and are absorbed directly without passing in the alimentary canal. Examples of tablet: ethisterone. Second, sublingual tablets. These tablets are to be placed under the tongue where they dissolve or disintegrate quickly and they absorb directly without passing into GIT. Example: glyceryl trinitrite. थर्ड है आपका लोजेंस टैबलेट एंड ट्रेचेस. These tablets are designed to exert a local effect in the mouth or throat. These tablets are commonly used to treat sore throat or to control coughing in common cold. They may contain local anesthetics, antiseptic, antibacterial agent, astringents, and antitussives. These are prepared by compression at a high pressure or by the molding process and generally contain a sweetening agent, a flavoring agent, and substance which produce a cooling effect along with medicaments. फोर्थ देखते हैं डेंटल कोन्स. These are relatively minor compressed tablet meant for placing them in the empty sockets after tooth extraction. They prevent the multiplications of bacteria in the socket following such extractions by using slow releasing antibacterial compounds or to reduce bleeding by containing the astringents. Third feature आपका, these tablet contain excipients like lactose, sodium bicarbonate and sodium chloride etc. This cone generally get dissolved in 20 to 40 minutes time. Thank you.